Hi everyone, Gavin Phillips here with Photo Effects and Layer Cake. I've been having so much fun with these new for 2019 Photoshop graphics brushes. I think you're going to love them. Let's jump straight in. So I have a photo open, just add some empty layers. I'm going to fill one with white, and then above that select one of the graphics brushes and start clicking inside the photo. It's loading the photo into the custom brush. Let's select another brush, a different spray brush here, and just start clicking in. So you can see you can have a lot of fun and a lot of different designs you can get by simply selecting one of the custom graphics brushes and clicking inside the photo. Let's switch to another brush. Now I've just selected one of the soft round brushes just to fill in parts of her face. You've got complete creative control. So let's select a different brush and try a different design. With this one, as you click, the brush turns automatically, so it's giving you a lot of different creative options there. So let's try one of the soft brushes now on a different layer, so you've got complete control. By using the different layers, you can turn these different designs on and off to find the one that you prefer. So now let's take a look at a different photo, this time a bride and groom. With the same soft brush, I found that these soft brushes work perfectly with bride and groom shots, and they work very well as a kind of a framing device. Now I've brought up Photoshop's brush editor to change the angle of the brush, and now I'll just brush in the bride and groom. This set of software comes with a concise movie tutorial made by myself, which shows you exactly how to use the graphics brushes and gives you a lot of creative ideas. Now you could have any background color that you want. I've put white in there, or you could have a texture as well. So I'll just drag and drop a texture behind the bride and groom. The graphics brushes work great with all types of photography, especially sports. We've got this little guy from Little League, and I'm going to use one of the blown brushes. And as you can see, with just a few clicks, we've got a completely unique design. It's fast, easy, and fun creating these designs. Let's take a look at a few more designs in the slideshow. So these brushes can be used in two ways, loading the photo into the custom brush as we've seen, or the brushes can be used as a regular Photoshop brush. I'll show you that in a moment. As we saw, the brushes also work as a clever framing and or edge effect for your photos. They can also be used to make unique business flyers or birthday and Christmas card designs. So, returning to Photoshop, I brush in the baby with a soft edge brush. I add a texture to the background. Now I add two flourish designs with the flourish brushes, this time using it as a regular brush. I then add birds, and as you can see, you can erase anything if you want to remove it from your design. You receive the 700 custom Photoshop brushes. They are all organized for you into separate folders. The brushes work with Photoshop CS6 through all of CC. And you receive my movie tutorial, which shows you exactly how to use the brushes and gives you more creative ideas. Here are the folders of brushes. At the top I have the A Select brushes. That is about 80 brushes that I carefully chose for you, a good variety of the brushes for you to start with. Please see the website for all information about this software. If you have any questions, please drop me an email. Thank you for watching and have a fabulous day.